Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking at how to install Elementor menu anchors and section IDs in WordPress. First, let's look at using the Elementor menu anchor widget. Open the page you want to edit with Elementor. Click on the plus button to add a menu anchor widget exactly in the place where you want the page to scroll down to. Next, assign an ID to that menu anchor. This is the exact name that will be used in your menu link. Once you've done that, click to update the page and exit back to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Appearance and select Menus. Under the Add Menu Items section, expand the Custom Links accordion. Paste the full URL of the page where your new section is located and add a hashtag followed by your specific ID right at the end of that URL. For example, hashtag testimonials. Click on the Add to Menu button and then hit Save Menu. Both of these methods will give you a perfectly functioning anchor link that jumps right to the content you want. If you found this quick guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.